how to return a random date between two dates in Excel. The key thing with this is remember that Excel looks at dates as numbers. So as we see, we have January 2nd, 2020 and December 31st, 2023. We format this as numbers. Boom. As you can see, Excel views dates as numbers. So because of that, you can use formulas as if they're numbers as well. So you can just use the range between function to return a random date between two dates. The bottom is going to be the earliest date, and the top is going to be the latest date, as the earlier date is going to be a lower number, and the newer date is going to be a higher number. And there you have it, the random date between the two dates. And you can even extend this downwards as well to return a bunch of random dates. We're going to lock these in place with the dollar signs. So that way, whenever we copy and paste this down, we have a whole bunch of random dates between the two dates. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.